Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shapiyit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasmi.
Unongelam kaliang persya ke sorkar jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma mentagasngi ke arterik ujuleu arjar arpuai ulong badai ban shania haka an halor ka Jingshah Kynnoh le beijat UMLA ke NPP ya ka wei ka kentai hanong ba Shillong habakran berkilat patai khubor u Dr. Mukul ulong ba uklam pat yo jingtip benya halor ka Kynnoh ba UMLA ke NPP u Thomas A Sangma udan keti hakanika kamsang namar udong shui i hegilat patai khubor kumta umpat la ban kentho yano ru nre habala don ke e jahar ka an kan sale ekabudan kam
I've just seen it in the news. I don't know much about it. Any allegation will obviously will be probably be as per the course of law. So I don't know. I have not tried to find out. I have just seen the news. Those are other associated collateral development that will take place. Okay. So I don't want to comment. Let us not deviate my focus on or engagement on more crucial issues. Okay, that law will take its own course and other as far as this case is concerned, because this is something personal to the concerned MLA, and the law of the land should be trusted. We trust our system, our judiciary system. We have a very robust judiciary system, and therefore we should have enough trust and confidence in our judiciary system.
So one of your MLAs has